Every animal is made up of cells. You might have already knew that, but the cells in the brain are very different from the cells in the body. In fact, the cells in the brain are called neurons. There are many different types of neurons in the brain, but neurons themselves are cells within the nervous system that send signals to different types of muscle, nerves, or gland cells. As you can see in the diagram, this is a neuron. The neuron consists of 4 different parts, which are the dendrites, the cell body, the axon, and the myelin sheath. The neuron has a cell body, which contains the nucleus. Around the cell body are the dendrites, which receive messages from other neurons. Down here, this line is the axon, which sends signals to other neurons. The myelin sheath wraps around the axon and helps aid the axon send electrical signals to other different types of neurons. Neurons communicate through chemical and electrical signals. In the process of communication, neurotransmitters are fired through axon terminals and go through a special contact point called a synapse right here. The synapse is a special entry point or contact point that allows electrical signals to pass through other cells. These are the basic types of neurons, which are the interneuron, the sensory neuron, the motor neuron, and the pyramidal neuron. The interneuron helps form connections between the sensory neuron and the motor neuron. The sensory neuron, as you can tell by its name, helps aid you in your 5 senses, such as sight, smell, or hearing. The motor neuron helps stimulate your muscles, such as your heart or your intestines. And lastly, the pyramidal neuron helps play important roles in cognitive functions.